Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing a fun video for you. It's part of a collaboration with my friends, Melissa and Kristy. We do this monthly group collaboration and there's a theme every month. So the theme this month is fall comfort foods. So when I think of comfort foods, I think of my crock pot, and I'm going to make pot roast. I don't think it really gets more comfort food fall-like than a really good pot roast. So I'm gonna make it up in my crock pot, and I love crock pot recipes during the fall. They're so easy, and you just come home to a nice warm meal all ready to go. Just love it. So for this pot roast, easy as always. So I have my chuck roast. I have some red potatoes, carrots, and then I'm going to use Lipton onion soup mix, and so good. I mean, I love using this for all kinds of different things. I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom and some beef broth. You can use water also if you don't have beef broth. But super simple meal, totally one of my favorite fall comfort foods. So I'm so excited to make this, to be part of this collaboration. So there's gonna be a playlist of everybody's really fun fall comfort food recipes. I will link the playlist in the description box along with Melissa and Kristy's channels. They both have wonderful channels, so go check them out after this video. I'm gonna get this all made up. I cannot wait to have it for dinner tonight. So let's get it going. All right, I'm gonna add the meat into the crock pot. So this is a chuck roast and it's perfect for pot roast. I have my cream of mushroom. I'm going to use 2 cans of cream of mushroom, and this makes such an awesome gravy. I'm gonna add in 1 cup of beef broth, and I'm gonna do 1 packet of a Lipton onion soup mix. And this just makes such a delicious gravy for this pot roast, and so perfect with, I'm gonna add in carrots and potatoes as well. So this is such a great dinner. It is definitely a fall comfort food for me, so definitely wanted to make this for our collaboration for this month of the theme of fall comfort foods. So this one is so good and really, really easy. So I'm going to give this a stir just to mix up the cream of mushroom, the broth, and the Lipton soup mix, just to mix it all together. I have baby carrots. You can use regular carrots, and you can chop them up into smaller pieces as well if you'd like. And I have potatoes that I have diced up into smaller portions. So I like to have this size, but definitely up to you. You can use any kind of potato you'd like. I'm gonna give it another stir to mix everything with the delicious sauce. All right, so it's ready to start cooking all day. I'm gonna put it on low for 8 hours, and when we get home later, it'll be ready for dinner. All right, so this pot roast has been cooking all day, and it is, oh my gosh, so good. So it just falls apart when you just kind of like use some tongs. Oh my gosh, so good. I love how the pieces just fall apart when you just kind of stir it with the tongs. It is so nice and tender, and after cooking all day, it just falls off together, and it is just so good. So this is such a perfect dish for fall comfort food. Really anything in the crock pot, but I love pot roast, so this is so perfect. Thank you so much, Melissa and Kristy, for hosting this fun collaboration. I love every month joining this collaboration and seeing what everybody else is up to. So I cannot wait to see everybody's fall comfort food recipes. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment if you have any questions. I hope they have a really great day. Hope that you have a wonderful fall, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.